Today it's Wednesday, January 8, 2025, and this is a CLS 63. The guys here, what they have done here. Ah, you're putting oil. No, let him. What they have done here, they have put also the additional cooler here, the additional bracket down over there. Alright, the bracket on the cross member, the pipes, the bracket here up, supported nicely. The air duct. Alright. You change the condenser?
Yeah.
Why?
His old one is, is fully block here.
Ah, the fins.
Yeah.
Alright. They change also the condenser. Amazing. Oil cooler. All the lines, all are good, Omar. Eh?
Everything. Mr.
Lovely.
Jawad is finished everything.
Lovely. We changed also engine wiring harness because the OEM was coming apart, the previous one.
And I want to tell you,
Yeah.
you can't start the car.
Why?
New injectors, we have to code it out.
So what? We can't start it. You can cut it out later.
Okay.
There's no
Just
problem.
inform me only.
Yeah, put the oil inside. Here, why we have Vaseline?
When we're putting this pipe to, the brackets.
Okay. A bracket, fine. You dump 11 liters inside. Dump 11 liters and then you're gonna need to put more. Belt.
We did not open the intercooler over there because we don't want to make ignition on. So once it's all done.
Yes. Yeah. Don't. When we don't make ignition on because we're gonna fill up the fuel line. Fuel line's been torn down.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. What do you think, Mr. Omar? We're gonna start?
With the fuel injector, I don't want to hear like.
You think maybe because of the fuel injectors?
Yeah.
Let's see. We're gonna find out. Anything else? You want me to check something?
Go back.
Hi, sir. How you doing, sir? All good, sir?
Yes.
I'm Mr. Joe.
Yes.
All well?
Yes.
Alhamdulillah. You changed also the coolant expansion tank, eh?
No.
No?
Yes.
I saw it before.
No, the found they have coming cracks more.
Okay. All right. You fix here. You see, you check the level. We can check later for the reservoir.
Is no put now water. Pipe is short. You order new pipe.
Okay. You put the bolt here. You put the bolt here. Okay, not cable tight here. Cable tight. All right. No worries. We're gonna check that again. If you know what's gonna happen. If you put a distilled water, you're not gonna have conductivity. And it's gonna be the light on inside.
Light on,
Yeah. Don't put the distilled water. Okay, standing by for the first start. All right. What's that? LED Bluetooth controller. Okay, you know what? I don't know.
If I disconnect the main line overhead
Yeah, why?
and make ignition on, put the code out the injector.
Omar, don't. We're gonna make the coding later on. You're gonna start the car. You're gonna start the engine. No worries. It's fine. You're gonna code it later. Why you come crazy for that?
I just want to start the. Okay, give me the cutter.
Okay, later on, not now. Okay, this is upside down. This has to be done. Like you see how this one that comes the rubber here, the flat side comes up. Nothing wrong. It's okay. It's fine. Let's wait for the owner because the owner he came. And I said, okay, nice. So I don't have to make a video. Then they said to me from the office, no, better make a video. I said, okay, I'm gonna make a video. I'm gonna make a video. Are you sure about that, Mr. Omar? Are you sure about that? You changed all the hoses?
Yes.
All right. No, it's fine. It was not suffering after all. All right, the first start. Started, Mr. Omar. Off. Start. Turn it off now. Okay. Wait. start it and leave it running. You see that no need the coding for the first start? Total fine. Giri. And that was the first start. Now guys, you can take care of all the rest. You can bleed the intercooler here, check the oil level, charge air condition, wrap it up. We have to check, before you put the wheel line on the wheel, we need to check the level for the wiper blades. Alright, lovely. You can code if you want now the fuel injectors, alright? Clear the faults, make the adaptations and all this. Fine. I'm going to continue with the 177.